About this item compatible with work with the new USB Type-C devices such as Samsung Galaxy S10/S10e/S9/S8, Note 10 9/8, Plus/S8 Plus, LG G6 G5 V30 V20, LG Nexus 5X, Lumia 950, Lumia 950 XL, ZTE Exxon 7, Moto Z2 Play Sony Xperia XZ, HTC U11/10, Nokia N1, Asus Zen AIO, Lenovo Zook Z1 2015 Apple new MacBook with 12 Retina display and other USB Type-C cable device spring protection. An additional spring has been added to the cord and USB ends to improve durability and reduce fraying. In the laboratory environment, bending test can reach 12,000 times plus. Certified 3-amp fast charge compared with other USB 2.0 cable that delivers 5V/2.4A current. USB cable provides up to 5V/3A safe charging current, which speed increased by 40%. You can also sync data between two devices with this Type-C cable. USB 2.0 charging and data transfer 2-pack USB-C to support safe high-speed charging and fast data transfer, 480 Mbps. Standard 5.6K ohmega pull-up resistor provides a safer charging current. It can prolong the